So what we have here is simultaneous equations, but they're hidden in the way of worded equations. So let me give you an example. It says in questions 1 to 8, let x be one number, y be the other number. Link x and y twice to form two equations and solve these equations to find unknown numbers. Let me do this for you, right? So when you see the word difference, it means one number, we call that the first number, take away the second number is 8. Is that okay? Then it says the sum of the two numbers is 20. So that means when you add them together, the answer must be 20. X represents one number, Y represents the other number. Okay, you add downwards and you get 2x equals 28. And then divide by 2 and you get 28 divided by 2. You must get x equals 14. Now, a different way of doing these is that you can now choose equation A or equation B. So you can choose, let's say, equation A. If you don't want to redo the equation from start to finish again, what you can do is you can replace the x here with 14. So it's 14 take away y equals 8. Then what you can do is you can bring the 14 from left to right, so you get minus y equals 8 minus 14. Then you get minus y equals 8 minus 14, which is minus 6. Multiply both sides by minus, and you get y equals 6. Some of you guys might prefer to go back to the beginning, and you might multiply the top equation by, let's say, minus 1, and you'll get minus x plus y equals minus 8, and then the bottom equation stays the same. And then what you can do here is that when you add downwards, the x's cancel. So you're going to be left with 2y equals 20 take away 8, which is 12. 2y equals 12, y equals 6. You can do it both ways if you want, right? That's question 2. Now question 4. Let x be the one number and y be the other number. 4 times one number, 4x. 4 multiplied by whatever that number is. And is usually plus. It says the sum of, so that means adding them together. 3 times the other number is 3y equals 41. If twice the first number, so twice the first number, which is 2x, less means take away, 3 times the second number, minus 3y equals 7. Once again, we can add downwards here. Do this 2 ways. When you add downwards, the y's cancel, so we end up getting 4x plus 2x, which is 6x. 6x being equal to 41 plus 7, which is 48. Then you're going to divide 48 by 6 to get x on its own, because it's multiplied by 6 on the left, which means it's divided by 6 on the right. And then we get 48 divided by 6, x equals 8. So I hope that's okay with all you guys. Now, you can do the next part 2 ways. You can either choose equation A or equation B. I'll choose equation A again. Now, 4 times x, that means 4 times 8. So 4 times x is 32. 32 plus 3y is 41. Bring the 32 over to the other side, so we get 3y equals 41, take away 32. 3y must equal 9. And then divide 9 by 3 and you get 9 divided by 3, y must equal 3. I know some of you, that's the substitution method. Some of you might have went back to the start and redid the equation. What gets rid of a plus 4x would be a minus 4x. So if I can change this 2x into a minus 4x, what I could do is I can multiply the bottom equation by minus 2. And when I multiply the bottom equation by minus 2, look what happens. Minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x. Minus 2 times minus 3y is plus 6y. Minus 2 times minus by 7 is minus 14. And then when you look upwards like so, what you're going to get is 4x is cancelled. 3y plus 6y is 9y. 41 take away 14 is 27. 27 divided by 9, your y value equals 3. So you can get the same answer both ways, okay? You'll find in the videos I did a couple of years ago, I always tend to do it the substitution way. So look, this time I'll only do it the substitution way. Find two numbers such that 3 times the first number would say 3x to me, Added means plus. To twice the second number, that'd be 2y, and the answer is 29. Well, 4 times the first number, which is 4x, less means minus 2 times the second number, which is minus 2y, equals 20. Well, if we add this straight down, 3x plus 4x is 7x, plus 2y minus 2y cancels. 29 plus 20 is 49. Multiplication of 7 on the left means division of 7 on the right. And then we get x equals 7. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply out the 3 by the 7 because we can input 7 for x using the top equation. So 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 2y equals 29. 2y equals 29, take away 21. 2y equals 8, and then y will equal 4. Now, for argument's sake, imagine instead of using equation A, I actually used equation B. This time it's 4 times x, which is 4 times 7, which would be 28. Take away your 2y equals 20. 28 goes from left to right, so we get 20y equals 20 minus 28, which is minus 8. Multiply both sides by minus to get 2y equals 8. Divide by 2, and you get an answer of 4. No matter which equation I chose, I was always going to get y equals 4. Okay, guys, that's it.